Flash, flash, flash. And we go. Press. Whoa! We have Bugatti key. I'm going to take that one. I'm going to take the GT and a Ferrari key. This Ferrari key. All right, come with me. What? A 14-car garage under the sea. Isn't that insane? So you've got your Bugatti Ferrari. Let's see which Ferrari this opens. Here we go. Oh! You've got your red Polo, you've got your Black Series GT, and over here, one of my favorites, Ford GT. Blah, blah, blah. McLaren, Senna. We got another LaFerrari, perfect. You have your McLaren, Mercedes, XLR, full exposed carbon fiber here.